Here we can see Discaya being extremely insensitive about what happened, smiling as if nothing is wrong, casually talking with ENGR. Al contra, you can really see how close they are. Sarah even flashed a heart gesture with her hand as she entered the DOJ, looking happy, confident, and completely unafraid. Is this really how the government treats the rich? That even if they steal, it's okay, but when it comes to the poor, they're jailed immediately and treated like dogs, as if they never did anything right? Meanwhile, people like Discaya are blatantly deceiving and robbing us right in front of our faces. Wake up, Filipinos.
Ito sa tanggapan ng kagawaran kahapon kasama ang kanyang asawa na si Curly Discaya para magpasa ng mga karagdagang ebidensya kaugnay ng kanilang mga naging pahayag sa Senado ukol sa mga anomalyang flood control projects. Kabilang na ang pag-finger hairstyle nito sa kamera ng media at ang pahayag na gandahan ang kanyang mga memes sa social media. Ayon kay DOJ spokesperson, Assistant Secretary Nico Clavano, nagiging bahagi ito ng kanilang assessment at evaluation. Hinimok naman ni Clavano ang iba pang individual na may kinalaman sa usapin para sa akmang pagkilos.